Hello students of Upper Yarra Secondary College. I'm just going to do a quick video on VCE product design and technology. Hopefully this information will help you in choosing your subjects for next year. Now, if you like woodwork in the past from 7 to 10, chances are you're going to enjoy this subject. However, I will say it's about 50% theory, 50% prac, and we'll be focusing on some key concepts such as the design process, the design factors, and also looking at improving our production skills. The course is broken up into 4 units like every other VCE subject. Those units are called Sustainable Product Redevelopment, Collaborative Design, Applying the Product Design Process, and Product Development and Evaluation. Obviously, you should have an understanding that Unit 1 and 2 is Year 11, Unit 3 and 4 is Year 12. In both Unit 1 and 2, you'll make a product. In Year 12, you'll only make one. So on the previous slide, you would have seen that there's some examples of Year 12 projects. So they're obviously more complex and more detailed. Year 11 projects, for Unit 1, in the past, we've redesigned a folding chair and created your own version of that. Unit 2 is where you work together as a team to build a shared project. Generally, that's for the school, but that can be negotiated. An example of that is the park bench that was out the front of the old library. You may have seen it there. That's an example of a Unit 2 product. And then again, like I said before, Unit 3, you're making one product. And that product is generally targeted at someone else or a group of people, or more of a global problem where your product is to solve a problem that someone else has. And we can go into that in more detail. If you'd like more information, come and see me. Now, the key concepts in this subject, I'll go over two main ones, what's called the product design process. In Year 11, for each unit, you'll go through these 10 steps of the process twice, one for Unit 1, one for Unit 2. In Year 12, you'll spend the year going through these steps just once. Now, you'll see some colours there. They're different stages of the process. One is investigating and defining. 2 is design and development. 3 is planning and production, and 4 is evaluation. Another key area within this subject are what's called product design factors. So if you're a student in my class, you're taking on the role as a designer, and it's your job to design products. And when we're doing that, we need to consider these design factors. So the purpose, function, and context, user-centered design, innovation and creativity, visual, tactile, and aesthetics, sustainability, economics, legal responsibilities, understanding materials, the characteristics and properties of them, and the technologies we use to change those materials into usable form. Now, most students make products out of timber because that's what we've done here at Upper Yarra in the past. However, you can use fabric, glass, metal. You can incorporate electrical components. Okay, so we're not just limited to timber as a material, but we're really mainly focused on the design process, solving design problems, and hopefully coming up with products that are functional, aesthetically pleasing, and serve a purpose for someone. Now, in terms of assessment, Year 11, you've got 3 main assessments. You've got your design folio, you've got your product, and you've got a SAC. Now, the SAC, you've only got one at each unit. The SAC in Unit 1 is based around sustainability. The SAC at Unit 2 is based around different styles and design movements, okay, which I can give more detail about if you'd like to come and see me. Year 12, your design folio and the product you produce contributes to 50% of your score. And then you've got 3 SACs on top of that. Those 3 SACs accumulate to 20% of your final score. And then the end of year exam is worth 30%. And that will cover all of the content throughout the year. So this subject, like I said at the start, it's suited to a creative person that likes hands-on stuff. Okay, it will give you skills that'll lead into trades if you're looking to move in that direction. But like I said, if you want more information, come and see me. We can chat about some further things in detail. But otherwise, hopefully you choose this subject and enjoy the